Hey everyone, welcome back. So I hope you guys are having a great weekend. It's Saturday. It's going to be a light one today. We're just going to take a look at Bitcoin, see what's going on there along with Ethereum. And then we're going to take a look at the miners, see how they did this week against Bitcoin. It wasn't a good week for the miners. It wasn't a good week for Bitcoin either, but we'll take a look at it. And then I have a favor to ask you guys at the end, if you guys could provide things that you want me to do metrics on for the miners for the quarterly results of them. So we'll get into that, but for right now, not financial advice. You guys know the drill here. I'm invested in fine coins and companies. This is only for entertainment, and I'm losing my voice. It sounds like, hold on a sec. Okay, hopefully that's better. Now let's get into Bitcoin really quick. Bitcoin is, well, it finished out the day today in the green a little bit. It was up 0.9% to a close of 16,782. We are down right now a little bit, 0.34% to, we are trading at, 16,725 is where we are at right now. The 4-hour chart looks, doesn't look too good right now. I mean, we're going up on the RSI. Price is kind of flat right now, so that's not a good sign for us. Looking at the 1-hour chart as well, you can see here, price is pretty much flat here, going all the way back here, and the RSI is going up. I'm guessing we're going to be going down a little bit more here in the next 24 to 48 hours, possibly. Okay, something to keep in mind, keep an eye on. And then we got Ethereum here at 1,183. And we finished out the day today. Let me see, were we up? We were up 1.72% on the day. We closed at 1,187. We are down a little bit right now. And looking at the 4-hour chart on it, you can see the same thing. Price has been kind of flat here, but RSI has been going up. On the 1-hour chart, we can see the same thing. Price has been kind of flat from here. RSI has been going up. Not a good sign. I think we're going to be coming down as well in Ethereum. Okay, so that's Bitcoin in a nutshell on Ethereum. Let's get into the miners, see how they did this week against Bitcoin. And then I got a favor to ask you guys as well. Okay, so here are the results that we have for right now. I set this up as for the 52-week lows, percentage that were down from the 52-week highs, sorry. So this is kind of what we're looking at first here is Greenwich is down 98%, Core is down 97.9, Argo is 97.9 down as well. Then we got Soluna down 96.7, Mawson is down 96.5, TerraWolf is down 96.3, Iris is down 92.5, Bitfarms is down 91.7, BitDigital is down 91, along with DigiHost. Sphere is down 90.6, Marathon is down 90.5, Hut 8 is down 89.9. Hive is down 88, CleanSpark is down 86.4, Riot is down 85.8, and DMG is down 81.2. And while Bitcoin is only down 68% from its 52-week high. Okay, so that's kind of wanted to show you guys there. Just a really quick update on that. And then if we look at the 1-week chart here, we can see here, let's do the descending. Core Scientific had a fabulous week this week. After the news that came out, was it B. Riley, I think it was, provided letter to investors and lenders. That pumped the stock up this week. So they actually had a really good week for it for the most part. Sphere was up also quite nicely today or this week, 9.38%. Bitfarms was up 2.45%. DigiHost was down 1.35%. Iris was down 1.43%. Hive was down 1.56%. And Bitcoin was down 2.83%. So these guys up top did better than Bitcoin. Whereas everybody below the worst, with the worst performer was Argo. Argo was down 61%. Greenwich was down 50. TerraWolf was down 48. Soluna was down 22. Marathon was down 22. CleanSpark was down 11. BitDigital was down 9. And Riot was down 9. Hut was down 7. DMG was down 5. And Moss was down 3. Here's the chart, so you can kind of see it this way as well. And let's take a look at it. Let's see, do we have everybody in here? Nope. I may have to make this chart a little bit smaller, fit it all, and still be able to do some math on it. Okay, so that's the 1 week. Let's take a look at the 4 week. Oh, where did I go? Went to the wrong place. Weekly. The 4 week, we want to go descending as well. And go down here. 4 week, we can see Core Scientific is up 73% in the 4 weeks. Is that on the 4 weeks? Oh yeah, 4 weeks ago, 73%. Okay. Sphere is only up 1.16. Bitcoin is only up 0.76%. And everybody else is down below that. Argo being the worst, down 62, followed by Greenwich, Solana down 52, Marathon down 37, TeraWolf down 30, Mawson down 27, BitDigital down 25, Hut 8 down 22, DigiHost down 18, Bitfarms down 18, Iris down 17, CleanSpark down 14, Riot down 14, Hive is down 11, and DMG is down only 10. So majority did worse on the 4 weeks. Look at the 8 weeks really quick as well while we are at it right now. Let's see here. On the 8 weeks, we can see Core Scientific is up 22% on the 4 weeks. Bitcoin is down 19.17%, and then everybody else is down below it. Argo still down the most, 84%. Greenwich 75%. Marathon down 71. Solana down 68. Hut 8 is down 60. Iris down 60. 52 for Bitfarms. 48 for CleanSpark, TeraWolf 48. Riot 46. Hive down 44. Mawson down 36. BitDigital 36. DMG down 32. DigiHost down 31. Sphere is down 22. So we're still in this bear market in Bitcoin and the miners for a while now. We had a nice little rally in the summer, but that went away quickly. And finally, on the 12-week chart, we go down here. 12 weeks, we can see Bitcoin is down 14.3%. Argo is down 92%. Greenwich is down 87. Core is down 81. Solana is down 77 from that time frame. Iris is down 65. Marathon is down 63. Bitfarms is down 52. TeraWolf is down 50. Hive is down 49. Hut 8 is down 48. Riot down 45. BitDigital is down 43. CleanSpark is down 40. Mawson is down 32. DigiHost down 28. Sphere is down 20. And DMG is down only 17 from that period of time. And we can see it also on the chart if we look at it. Let's see. This is Bitcoin here. And going back to when we had a nice little rally, and Bitcoin, when was this? This is on the daily chart. We had a nice little rally here in, what was that, August right here, where we went up to about 25,000 on Bitcoin. Ever since then, we've fallen down to about the 19.5. We traded there for a long time. And then just recently, we fell below it. We've been trading around the 16.5, 17,000 mark roughly. While if we look at some of the miners here from the same period, we can take a look at, let's take a look at Argo. Argo has just been continual falling down here. BitDigital, same thing, a little rally here. Let me see, August, you can just see continuing downside. Bitfarms, same thing, a little rally here around August, then down. CleanSpark, same thing in August, rally, and then continued downslide. Cores, same thing. August, you can see it here. Also, if you're like Hive, August, and then down again. And we're reaching new 52-week lows on all of these miners in the past 2 weeks. Hut 8, same thing. August, and then down. Iris Energy, same thing. I mean, you can see it for all the miners. August was a pretty good month. Marathon was the only exception, I think, where it kind of went up in August, came down, went back up, and kind of bounced a little bit. And then finally, within the last, looks like since October, it's been just dropping like crazy. So it's dropped quite a bit here. If we look at it just on the time frame here. So we can zoom this out so I can see it. Where did it go? Right there. So we're down 74% just in the last couple weeks, 6 weeks or so from it. So Riot, you can see here the same thing. It kind of bounced as well, and it's fallen down as well. So we are in this kind of market where we're waiting on the bottom to happen. I think right now we are, experiencing what is called, what do they call it? Tax loss harvesting. So people are selling the things that they lost money on right now to put against their taxes in the new year in 2023. So they can do that, and then they'll probably buy back in January, which is kind of what I'm expecting people to do as well. There's also something that I'm thinking about doing possibly on maybe one. I have to look. I may do it on one of the miners that I own. Sell them now. I'm down, I think, 50% on it right now. I may just sell it right now. Wait 30 days afterwards, and then be able to claim those losses on the taxes. So it's something I'm thinking about doing, but I got to do some more research on that one. Okay, so going back to here, you can see it hasn't been, excuse me, it hasn't been great. I mean, we can see here in August, we had a couple weeks where we had a nice couple rallies here heading into, and then after that, we had couple of weeks where we were in the red, green, a couple of weeks in the red, green. We've had more red than we've had green, actually. So hopefully, after the new year, things will kind of turn around a little bit for Bitcoin and the miners, and especially as we get closer to the halving event. I'm guessing probably closer towards the end of the first half, start of the second half, things probably will start picking up as we're going to be about 9 months away from the halving event. And that's usually when Bitcoin starts to rally right around that time frame. So that's kind of what we're looking at. Other than that, we're just going to have to weather the storm, I think. Now, so let me know what you guys think of all this. And then finally, the favor I have to ask you guys is I'm getting ready to do the quarterly results for the miners, some comparisons on them. Some of the metrics that we're using right now is quarter-over-quarter hash rate growth, quarter to year-to-date hash rate growth. Grading the miners on that. We're also grading them on total year-to-date hash rate growth. And then we're looking at quarter Bitcoins per petahash or exahash on that one. So what did they mine for the quarter? And then what was their average hash rate for that quarter? And we get BTC per, should be exahash, I think, on this one. Then we're looking at the current ratio, debt to equity ratio also. And then we're also looking at compensation versus revenue for all the miners. So those are some of the things that we're looking at. Other things I was thinking about doing is, did they improve at all on their current ratio or debt to equity ratio as well from the prior quarter? So Q3 versus Q2, was there an improvement or was there a, not an improvement, I guess you could say, on it? So that's one of the things that I'm also looking to possibly grade them on. Let me know what else you guys want to know, or grade them on certain different metrics. I'm open to it. I'm going to be working on this tomorrow. So the more you guys provide me tonight, the more I'll have a chance to get it done tomorrow. And then we'll probably do a video on it tomorrow. There's still a couple miners that haven't reported. Those include Sphere 3D. Oh, no, sorry. Which ones didn't provide yet? Where is the numbers? I believe we're still waiting on DMG, Argo, and Iris haven't provided their quarterly results yet. So it's been 2.5 months. There's no reason they can't get the results out. So I'm going to do the video and then we'll update the information possibly for the next one. Okay, so that is it. I hope you guys have a great weekend. It's Saturday now, Saturday night. So we got tomorrow, and then I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks so much. Have a great night. Bye.